Dear students, today I am going to discuss mechanism of Lucas test. So first of all, we should know what is Lucas reagent. So Lucas reagent is nothing but it is a mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and conc HCl. So Lucas reagent is homogeneous mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl in the ratio 1:1. Now, what is the role of Lucas reagent? So, Lucas reagent can distinguish between 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, and 3 degree alcohol. How? So, this one you can say that this one is 1 degree alcohol. How it is 1 degree alcohol? Because carbon is attached with one alkyl group. This one is secondary alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, because carbon is attached with two alkyl group. And this one is 3 degree alcohol because this carbon is attached with 3 alkyl group. Now, so we have seen 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohol. Now, these alcohol are reacting with anhydrous zinc chloride and HCl, that means Lucas reagent. So, 3 degree alcohol will give turbidity immediately. That means white precipitate cloudiness in the solution. And 2 degree alcohol on reaction gives turbidity in 5 minutes. And 1 degree alcohol on reaction with Lucas reagent gives no turbidity. And if turbidity gives on heating, that means reaction is not possible at room temperature. So by seeing the cloudiness, we can judge that the given alcohol was 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree on the basis of turbidity formed. So repeating once more, turbidity appears immediately in 3 degree, turbidity appears in 5 minutes in case of 2 degree, and at room temperature you will see no turbidity. Now let us see how these reactions going on. Here you will see that this one is we having ethanol and this one is HCl. It will form on reaction with Lucas reagent alkyl chloride and water. Here we formed ethyl chloride, or we can say that chloroethane, since we have taken ethanol. If we will take here 2 degree alcohol, then other product will form. Now we have written here white precipitate form. So I would like to clear here that 3 degree alcohol will give immediately, 2 degree will give after 5 minutes, but we have taken 1 degree alcohol. So it will appear turbidity on heating. Now let us see the mechanism behind these reactions. We having mechanism. Now here we having ethanol, and you know that in ethanol oxygen atom is there, it contains 2 lone pair electron. And first in the reaction, first one come zinc chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride, and you know that anhydrous zinc chloride is electron deficient since its d electron is vacant, as well as you know that its octet is not complete. So it acts as a Lewis acid. So it require electron. Now oxygen having lone pair of electron, so oxygen will give its electron lone pair to this zinc. As an intermediate is formed, since oxygen has given electron, so a positive charge is developed at oxygen. You can see here. And this zinc has taken electron, therefore negative charge appears on zinc metal. Okay. So here you can see negative charge. Now after that what will happen? So you can see here oxygen is positive charge and it is an electronegative element. So how it can sustain an electronegative element having positive charge? So this is unstable. Then it picks bonded electron, that means carbon and oxygen bond is taken, these electrons are taken by oxygen. So if these electrons are taken by oxygen, as a result positive charge neutralizes, and since this carbon has given electron, so positive charge appears on this carbon and carbocation is formed, and the rest species is OH, Z zinc chloride, this one. So positive charge neutralizes we have shown here. Now carbocation is formed. This one is 1 degree carbocation. Why? Because we have taken ethanol. If we will take here 2 degree alcohol, then secondary carbocation will form. If we will take 3 degree alcohol, then a tertiary carbocation will form. So depend on that which you have taken, which species you have taken here. You have taken 1 degree, so 1 degree carbocation is there. Now you know that the reactivity of carbocation. So 3 degree is most stable, then 2 degree, and then 1 degree. So if here 3 degree alcohol, then 3 degree carbocation will be there. Now after that formation of carbocation, the role of HCl. So HCl will break up into H plus and Cl minus ion, and this Cl minus will react with this one species carbocation to form alkyl chloride here. And you know that 3 degree is most stable. So which one will react faster? 3 degree, of course. So 3 degree will form 3 degree here chloride, tertiary chloride. Now, so depend on the nature of carbocation. So this one species has only to react and depend on what type of carbocation is coming. So if tertiary carbocation will there, it will react to form here with chloride immediately. Now as this one alkyl chloride is formed, white precipitate will appear here, and this one indicates the presence of nature of alcohol. Now after that you have seen here that this one species formed, this species, and there is H plus ion, H plus having no electron, so it picks up the electron of oxygen, because oxygen hydrogen is positively charged, it requires electron. So bond will form between oxygen and hydrogen. So here one hydrogen was earlier and the second one hydrogen reacted of HCl. So bond is formed. Oxygen has given electron here, so it becomes electron deficient and positive charge appears here. Now after that what happen is that these bonded electrons, that means oxygen and zinc, oxygen is positive charge, it require electron, so it will pull its electron. As a result, what will happen? Zinc chloride will separated, and as electrons taken, positive charge neutralizes to form water molecule. So I think you understood the whole mechanism behind the reaction. So you can distinguish between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. You have seen how the reactions going on. You practice more and more times, you will able to write the mechanism also. Till then, thank you very much.